Want to claim your core tokens and see them in your Metamask wallet? Here's a simple guide to do just that. So firstly, make sure your Metamask wallet is set up and connected to the Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain network, depending on where core tokens are supported. Next, add the core token contract address to your wallet so it appears in your tokens list. You can find the official contract address on the core project's website or a trusted token listing site like CoinGecko. To add the token manually, open Metamask, scroll down and click Import Tokens. Then paste the core contract address and fill in the token symbol and decimals if needed. Now, if you're eligible to claim core tokens from the Airdrop or staking rewards, visit the official core claiming site or D-app linked by the project. Connect your Metamask wallet and follow the on-screen steps to claim. This may require paying a small gas fee in Ethereum or BNB. Once claimed, refresh your Metamask wallet or switch networks to see the core tokens added. And that's pretty much how to claim core tokens in Metamask. Like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials and comments if you want help with staking or swapping core tokens safely. Guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.